Hi YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. It's Dirty Dems, aka Demograffix. You can probably hear by the sound of my voice that I've still got a cold. If you've been following my channel, the last video I probably sounded like I was a bit bunged up in the nose, but yeah, things haven't changed. Unfortunately, my partner, she tested positive for COVID this morning, so I was on my way to work in London and I had to stop because if somebody from your household has got COVID, then you have to isolate as well. So unfortunately I can't do that job today, but I'm on my own here. I'm going to drop a quick piece and then head home. I was en route, but yeah, this location is en route, so I'm going to do a quick dub today. So I'm not going to go into my opinions about the vaccine, but yeah, I'm not a great fan of it. Partner, she's had the vaccine, and so is pretty much most of my family, but yeah, they all seem to have COVID. I'm going to be getting a PCR test later on today to find out if I have COVID, and yeah, we'll see how things get on. Slim pickings today in terms of colours, as I got the colours ready for a client, so it's limited in colour range. Obviously I can't use all those colours because I need to keep them aside for the client, so I've just picked a few blues, a bit of yellow, some black and white and grey, and see what I could do with those colours. So behind me I've just thrown up generic Dems outline, and yeah, you can't really tell because I'm just going straight over a piece, but I'm not trying anything too fancy today, just gonna fat cat fill it in, so that's probably the next stage you'll see. Okay, so got the cold fill in there, it's looking nice, fitting for the day. Pretty cold today, I'm out here in a shirt, but yeah, I'm going to add I'm probably going to do like an ice cold 3D on there, white and grey, and then maybe use some black to pop it. So, outline's now on, marked up my 3D. I'm now going to use different shades of grey and white to generate a 3D blocky effect. I'm also going to use a bit of black maybe on the inside as a pattern to jazz it up a bit. Got the 3D on now. Got the 3D on now. The greys, I'm just going to neaten up the white and maybe add some black in there. I've got the white outline looking sharp around the 3D. I'm going to spruce it up a bit with a bit of black on the infill, and yeah, we're getting there. So the black has definitely spruced it up a bit. Yeah, I'm loving it. It's got a cold feel to it. evil. Going to add some yellow around the outside and maybe a key line. Right, so I've got the yellow on there, covering up the piece underneath, and it's just using what I've got to hand. So I've only had like half a can of yellow, so it was quite scribbly, but it does the job. It's covered up what was underneath, kind of, and now I'm going to add a key line. So I'm thinking maybe a dark brown instead of going for black, because I've already used black on the infill. But yeah, we've reached the end of the video, and if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Peace.